Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add animations in LibreOffice Impress. Now, for us to get this done, let's go ahead and add a text box right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to insert and we're going to go ahead and look for text box. And then let's just going to go ahead and add here LibreOffice Impress. All right, and then we can go ahead and make this a bit bigger so that's going to be clear for you guys. All right, there you go. Now, I'm going to right click this one and look for text attributes. And then we can go ahead and click text animation. Click this one. And there are a few limited things here you can do. For example, we have blinking. If I hit OK, you can see that's blinking. Go back again, text attributes, and then choose again a different text attributes that you want to use here. So yeah, that is basically how it's done, everybody. You can then go ahead and proceed and choose from the following options in order for you to get this done. Again, that's how it's done. I hope this video helps you out.